See Rachel over there spraying liquid wrench on the screws that are holding the trim pieces in. We are going to be replacing this roof covering, but we're also going to be checking to see what we need to replace underneath, because we did a little exploring and we found that there's some rot. However, I can't really see here, maybe right here, you can see that the joist is pretty solid. Same here. Looks a little ugly, but it's solid. It's not falling apart like all the plywood on top of it was. So what I'm going to do now is I am just going to cut most of this out with a razor blade and just start peeling it up. It's going to be a messy job, but it's got to be done. Well, this is going to be a huge job. There are a lot of joists that are good, but lots are rotten. You can see there, right here, that one's sunken in. I mean, lots of work to do. So, I mean, almost all of these are going to be replaced, but that's okay. Got this for a song, and we're going to make it a lot better. So yeah, as you can see, lots of work to do. Oh, you can hear our donkey. He thinks it's time to get fed. All right, as we continue.